Hi, this is Tim from CADWorks.dk. I'm going to show very quickly how you can 3D machine this one, or 2-axis machine this one, using SOLIDWORKS CAM. I am using CAMWorks in this example, but you will get the picture anyway. So I will create a new middle part setup on that surface. I'm not going to select anything in this one, but I could actually enable the multi-surface feature right here. So I'm just going to manually process it. So middle part setup, multi-surface feature, and select all or use all displayed. Now I can go in and select 3-axis mill area clearance. I can select a small tool like that one, that's fine, and hit OK. Now I don't want to do any settings in that one, but I do want to contain the toolpath to be inside this boundary. I could add an offset if I want to, 1 millimeter, so that would offset this perimeter a bit more. But in this one I don't want to. So hitting OK and then generate the toolpath. So now we get all the toolpath contained inside this one. And then I can go ahead and do one more time. Set level, for instance, using 4mm ball nose. Hitting OK, I don't care about the step over, and now I can copy this contain area by holding Control and dragging that to this one. Actually, let me do one small setting in here. In the set level, I want to make it small step over and hit OK and generate the toolpath. And there you have it.